Hi friends, once again I am here to present you a new lesson of class 10, an encounter of a special kind. Before learning a lesson, we will see a pre-activity which is known as a warming up section. In this first part is about a chit chat. First of all, we will see this picture. You are seeing this picture, and after seeing this picture, there are 4 questions related to that picture. First question related to that picture is, what do you see in the picture? The answer may be various according to the student's ability. Okay, now the answer will be, we see that a small girl is carrying a puppy on her head. Next question, what do you think the girl is trying to do and why? The answer will be, the girl is trying to save the puppy because it may drown in the flood. Or, in other words, we can say the girl is trying to save the puppy because she loved the puppy very much. Third question, if you were in the place of that girl, what would you do? The answer will be, I would also save that puppy. Okay, now next question, do you think she will become successful in her mission? The answer will be yes, she will definitely become successful in her mission. Okay, now after seeing a chit chat, again there are some pictures. What you have to do, you have to match the appropriate headings with the images, means the given picture. Here there are 4 pictures. In picture number A, we see that a boy is very happy, and around that boy there are many books, magazines, etc. In picture number B, we see a boy is sitting and reading books, and his facial expressions are very nice. He is somewhat satisfied, happy by reading that books. In the picture number C, we see that there is a bungalow. Near that bungalow there are some trees. Means every nature, related to nature, there is a picture. Okay, now in the picture number 4, we see a boy is reading a book, but his mood is not happy. He is not happy. Somewhat he is angry because there is some disturbance while reading the books, like any sound is coming from the outside. Okay, now there are these types of 4 pictures. Now what you have to do, match the appropriate headings with the images. So there are headings. First heading is our luxurious bungalow. Second, my favorite pastime. Third, what a convention. Fourth, engrossed in my book. So, first heading, our luxurious bungalow. The images will be number C. Okay. Second heading, my favorite pastime, and the image will be number A. Third, what a commotion, and the image will be number D. Fourth, engross in my book, and the images will be B1. Okay, in this way we have completed the pre-activity of warming up of a new lesson and encounter of a special